Every lipstick begins with carefully selected ingredients long before color reaches the tube. Safe transport protects every ingredient destined for precision manufacturing. The manufacturing journey begins the moment raw materials reach the factory. Purity is confirmed before a single batch can be produced. Purity is confirmed before a single batch can be produced. Color accuracy begins with microscopic precision. Controlled storage preserves ingredient quality until production begins.
Every recipe is measured with industrial accuracy.
Behind these doors, raw ingredients begin their transformation.
Now the science of lipstick manufacturing truly begins.
Production begins with carefully controlled melting of premium cosmetic waxes. Every wax contributes structure, stability, and a flawless finish. Precise oil blending creates the smooth texture consumers expect. Temperature control protects every ingredient from unnecessary degradation. A uniform base is essential before color can be introduced.
Each shade begins with exact pigment proportions measured to the gram.
Color transforms the formula into the signature shade consumers recognize.
Powerful mixing ensures every application delivers identical color.
Removing microscopic air creates a flawless final product. The perfected formula now moves toward its final shape.
Precision filling guarantees every lipstick begins with identical volume.
Perfect surfaces today become flawless lipsticks tomorrow. Controlled cooling locks the formula into its final structure. Patience during cooling preserves texture, strength, and appearance.
Precision handling protects every freshly formed lipstick.
Automation identifies imperfections long before packaging. A fraction of a second creates the signature professional shine. Engineering and cosmetics unite inside every finished tube. Every twist is tested before reaching consumers. Now performance meets presentation on the final production line. Precision branding transforms every tube into a recognizable cosmetic product. Every lipstick carries a permanent identity for complete traceability.
Automation ensures every cap closes with absolute precision.
Advanced vision systems inspect details invisible to the human eye. Each mechanism is tested to deliver a premium user experience.
Only flawless products continue to the next stage.
Consistent color defines the quality consumers trust.
The finishing touch enhances both appearance and presentation. A steady production flow keeps quality and efficiency perfectly aligned. Before reaching consumers, every batch must prove its quality. Every dimension is verified to microscopic accuracy.
Reliability begins with repeated mechanical precision.
A secure closure protects the product until first use.
Attention to detail defines premium cosmetic manufacturing. Consistent weight ensures every customer receives full value. Every product can be traced from ingredients to shipment. A flawless finish completes the manufacturing process. Automation maintains speed without sacrificing precision.
Only approved batches continue to packaging.
Now, every finished lipstick prepares for its journey to customers. Automation delivers precision in every packaged product. Every package includes the information consumers need. Clean sealing protects quality from factory to customer. One final inspection ensures retail-ready perfection. Individual products become organized shipments in seconds.
Secure cartons protect thousands of lipsticks during distribution.
Robotic palletizing maximizes efficiency and transport safety. Protective wrapping prepares every shipment for global distribution.
The finished products now await their final journey.
Every pallet is digitally tracked before leaving the factory. Preparation ensures every shipment travels under ideal conditions.
Every shipment is loaded with precision and balance.
Final verification guarantees complete product traceability. Thousands of finished lipsticks begin their journey to stores worldwide.
Behind every shipment stands a carefully managed supply chain.
From one factory, products travel to markets around the world. Every finished lipstick reflects the teamwork behind modern manufacturing.
And this is how modern factories produce lipstick from start to finish.
Discover the remarkable engineering behind the products we use every day. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.